Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to hide a particular sheets on your WPS spreadsheet. If you're having 5 sheets, I just want to hide a single sheet, you can just hide it by using this simple option on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So now I just need to hide a sheet in your WPS spreadsheet, and I'm just going to show how to hide and also how to unhide a sheet on the WPS spreadsheet. It's actually simple. For an example, I just need to hide this third sheet which have a color, and also I just want to hide the first sheet which has a text here. So click on the sheet first, click on the sheet again, and you will see an option called sheet property on the bottom side. Scroll down and you will see option to hide. Click this and it hide it. So you can see now the third sheet has been hidden. The same process, I was just clicking on the first sheet, click on the first sheet again, and you can just scroll down and you will see option called hide. Click on this hide option, just hide it. If you want to unhide the sheet, you just click on any sheet, just any sheet property, just open the sheet property and just scroll down. You will see a sheet option called unhide the worksheet. Click this and it will say to select the sheet. I just want to select both sheet and click OK. Now every sheet has been unhidden. This is how you hide and unhide the sheets on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.